You have this little square that I'm sat in now. There's a lot of work that needs doing on some of these houses. You know, this one in front of me now, lots of patches. I think the paint's flaking off. But I think people come in, they do them up, and they sell them on. You know, you've got a 3-story house here in blue and white, which looks nice. They're all quite narrow, but I expect they're like a TARDIS inside. I'm not sure where everyone parks. That's got to be a bit of a problem. It's nice going up and down these alleyways just to see what there is. And we've come across another little seating area here. And there's plenty of those up here. Of course, you've got other things in Villajoyosa that you can do. There's Valor chocolate factory. They do tours, which are free. So if you want to go and do that. I came past the factory this morning and there's a big queue outside of people wanting to go in. What else have we got here? It's not a great deal here, apart from the beach. Nice restaurants. But the chocolate factory is sure one of the nice things that people go and see. And I don't know if they give you free samples, I'm sure they do. So that might be worth going just for that. This street here is very steep. They've got little steps all the way down to help you up and down, I think. But, it is very steep, this lady here, where they're shopping. But as I said before, it's really pretty, and if you are coming to visit, drag yourself off the beach and have a look around. There are odd bars and restaurants up here, so you can eat if you want. It's not plentiful, but there are some, so it's worth doing that. This is another seating area with this lovely fountain in the middle. I think most of us love the sound of water, running water that is. And this is lovely here. Very quiet. You know, you get the odd one or two people sitting around reading a book or something, but you don't see many people. There's lots of little narrow streets all around that you can have a walk up and down.